This is Michael Martin, President and CEO of the National Wood Flooring Association. We're going to take a look at this year's category winners as well as the NWFA Members' Choice Award, voted on by the entire wood flooring industry. Joining me today is Brett Miller, Vice President of Technical Education and Standards of the NWFA, who will provide a craftsman's perspective and a look at each one of these winning floors. Our first category is Best in Circles, Curves, and Bent Wood. Entries in this category include any hand-cut circular shapes within a flooring system, such as circles, ovals, curves, or bent material. Our winner is Arado Designs, 9 Mile Falls, Washington.
This year's NWFA Wood Floor of the Year is a true masterpiece created by Tom Urata. Referred by a designer familiar with his work, Tom was initially brought on board to repair water damage at this 12,000 square foot home nestled near a picturesque river. What started out as a repair evolved quickly into a discussion about the homeowner's desire for an elaborate wood floor that would flow seamlessly from the kitchen into the rest of the house. The final design showcases intricate birds of prey, an abstract blue epoxy river, culminating into a stunning circular medallion in the home's entryway. 8 different inlays were expertly crafted, comprising thousands of hand-cut pieces that were meticulously assembled. Tom drew inspiration from the unique floor designs he had seen previously, incorporating jagged maple lightning into the medallion design to mimic the appearance of fossilized wood.
Up next, Best in Colors, Finishes, and Textured Wood. Entries in this category include all types of applications of dyes, reactive conditioners, layered color systems, faux finishing or other finishing systems, as well as textured wood flooring surfaces. And our winner is Floormaster Company, Crystal Lake, Illinois.
Tasked with creating a unique floor for a designer he had previously worked with, Floormaster Company's Matthew Siska sourced wood from 3 different manufacturers, blending character grade and number 1 plain sawn white oak to achieve the desired effect. This floor features 8-inch solid white oak and 2 mixed cuts, rift and quartered, and number 1 plain sawn, along with 250 square feet of number 1 common plain sawn. The designer's vision for 45-degree angled bevels on all sides was initially met with resistance from the manufacturer, but undeterred, Matthew and his team took matters into their own hands, setting up router stations to create the bevels themselves. The finishing process required equal attention to detail, as the homeowner had specific color preferences based on pre-finished floor samples they had seen. Ultimately, he used a reactive conditioner, then applied Rubio Hard Wax Oil Oyster for a stunning final look.
Our next category is Best in Historic Restoration. Entries in this category include all types of restoration projects, replacements, or repairs in either a residential or commercial application. Our winner this year is RippnFinish, Gladstone, Missouri.
This year's Wood Floor of the Year for Best in Historic Restoration was installed in a refurbished Kansas City warehouse. The flooring material was sourced from the Jim Beam Distillery in Bardstown, Kentucky, after it was destroyed by fire in 2019. The 5-inch wide planks measured 1.5 inches thick, which presented unique installation challenges due to the board's damaged tongue and groove from the fire. The team at RippnFinish used lasers to ensure perfect alignment, along with the use of 3-inch screws and staples to fasten the board securely to the subfloor and joists. The result is a floor that showcases a character and charm of its history, while maintaining a high level of craftsmanship and precision.
Next up, Best in Marquetry and Inlay. Entries in this category include any hand-cut marquetry or inlay featuring a wood floor as a standalone feature, something that's inlaid into the floor or throughout the entire project. Our winner this year is Floormaster Company, Crystal Lake, Illinois.
2 years after Floormaster Company's Matthew Siska installed a maple floor in a client's home, she asked him to do something special in her foyer. Starting with an oval and working his way outward, his vision was to create the appearance of organic growth emanating from a central star. In total, 8 wood species and more than 2,200 elements were hand-cut. The completed panel was pre-sanded at Matthew's shop and then delivered to the client's home to acclimate to the job site. After acclimation, he finished sanding it with 100 and 120 grit and applied a Lobo water-based finishing system.
Up next, Best Parquetry. Entries in this category include any parquet pattern installed in a flooring project. Our winner is Custom Floors Unlimited, Houston, Texas.
Lorraine Vojak of Custom Floors Unlimited is celebrated for her passion for creating one-of-a-kind designs. On this project, Vojak found inspiration in the weave pattern on her client's watch, which she thought would be a perfect fit for the wine cellar room floor. Vojak likens the completed double herringbone floor to a fine tailored suit, where every single measurement is made and the result is stunning. Getting the correct scale was essential for this pattern. It needed to be in scale with the room and within the pattern itself. As for the finish, the chosen stain was applied by hand, which Vojak said provided a much richer color on this walnut. Finally, it was finished with 2 burnished coats of sealer and a European milk wax.
Next up, Best Staircase. Entries in this category include all types of staircase projects. Submissions may include new installations or overlays in either a residential or commercial application. This year's winner is Walk on Wood, Winter Park, Florida.
Rob Mercier of Walk on Wood is known for his passion for creating unique, custom stairways. This year's winning staircase is one he crafted for a car collector who wanted a contemporary version of a previous staircase Mercier had designed for him. Collaboration was essential for this project, as several people were involved, including architects, structural engineers, and builders. Together they came up with a system that allowed them to embed the glass within the edges of the stairway while maintaining the appearance of the glass going all the way through the wood detail. The stairs were made with 6mm wear layer live sawn European engineered oak. The challenge of this project was creating a free-floating stairway that did not engage any interior or exterior walls of the home. Mercier explained that they needed to rely on the framework to carry the load of the stairway.
Our next category is Manufacturer Spotlight. This year's manufacturer worked with a designer to come up with a unique installation project. Brett, tell us about this one.
For the Manufacturer Spotlight category, Peachy Hardwood Flooring, in collaboration with Textures Nashville, created a combination of 5-inch and 4-inch wide by 24-inch long herringbone, engineered reclaimed oak planks, preserving the original face to showcase the authentic texture and history of the wood. From traditional plank flooring and custom-milled herringbone to an on-site hand-cut multi-quadrant chevron pattern, this project demonstrates the extraordinary results that can be achieved when skilled manufacturers, designers, and installers actually collaborate.
And our final category award, Best in Technology, is also this year's Members' Choice Award, voted on by all members across all categories in the competition. The awards go to Czar Floors, Richardboro, Pennsylvania.
As a company that's mastered the art of CNC and computer-aided design, Czar Floors is no stranger to winning in this category. The project was part of a whole house design spanning more than 4,000 square feet, with the room itself covering approximately 800 square feet. The most significant challenge in this project was the customer's insistence on a free-floating inlays, which were not enclosed inside the medallions. This meant inlay elements had to be pre-cut and installed at the factory. To achieve the intricate design, Czar Floors created a precise AutoCAD of the room using a laser layout to fit the shape of the space, while accounting for columns, fireplaces, and other obstacles. The wood selection was picked by the client with Czar Floors' guidance, ensuring contrasting and harmonious colors. This outstanding project demonstrates Czar Floors' expertise in using technology to create unique and intricate designs, earning them well-deserved recognition in both Best Use of Technology and Members' Choice Award categories. Congratulations, Czar Floors.